Having kids doesn't mean the end of travel, though it does require smart solutions to make journeys more manageable. Enter the portable car seat, a game changer for families on the move. Unlike traditional all-in-one car seats that remain fixed in your vehicle, portable car seats are designed for easy transport through airports and seamless transitions into rental cars or ride shares. There are many portable car seats for babies to choose from with different features and prices. I researched and compiled a list of the best portable car seats for babies from top brands. These products can really help people like you. Check the description for pricing and details. Let's get into the video. Number 1. Graco Forever Car Seat. The Graco Forever Car Seat is a versatile and innovative solution for parents seeking long-term value and safety for their children. This 4-in-1 design seamlessly adapts from infant to toddler stages, offering a decade of use with its 10-year lifespan, engineered with Safeguard Plus technology. It provides comprehensive protection against frontal, side, rear, and rollover crashes. The seat's user-friendly features include an effortless 10-position harness and headrest adjustment system, 6-position recline for optimal comfort, and easy installation with in-right latch attachment and integrated belt lock-off. Parents will appreciate the convenience of the machine-washable rapid remove cover, which can be cleaned without uninstalling the seat. Number 2. Wavy Pico Travel Car Seat. The Wavy Pico Travel Car Seat is a revolutionary solution for parents on the move, designed for children ages 2 weighing 2250 lbs and measuring 30-45 inches. This versatile seat meets all U.S. safety standards set by the NHTSA and FIA, making it suitable for both road and air travel. Its compact design and included carry bag allow for easy transport as a backpack, by hand, or attached to rolling luggage, perfect for ride-sharing or road trips. The Pico features a 5-point safety harness, ensuring your child's security in various travel scenarios. It's important to note that due to industry standards, return car seats with open boxes must be destroyed to maintain safety integrity. Therefore, customers are advised to carefully consider their purchase before unboxing. Number 3. Evenflo GoTime Lex Booster Car Seat. The Evenflo GoTime Lex Booster Car Seat is a versatile and safety-focused solution for growing children. Designed to meet or exceed all applicable federal safety standards, it features a deep design with overlapping head and body sides, providing crucial support where it's needed most. This booster seat offers 2 modes of use, seamlessly transitioning from a high back to a no back booster, accommodating children aged 4 and up, weighing between 40 to 120 lb. The GoTime Lex's easy one-hand height adjustment system with 7 positions ensures a proper fit as your child grows, allowing for extended use and maintaining correct vehicle belt positioning. Parents will appreciate the convenience of 2 built-in cup holders, keeping drinks and snacks within easy reach and helping drivers maintain focus on the road. Number 4. Dunana Car Seat EA Stroller. The Dunana Car Seat EA Stroller is an innovative all-in-one travel system designed to simplify life for parents on the go. This versatile product seamlessly transforms from a car seat to a stroller in seconds, allowing for easy transitions without disturbing your sleeping child. Its intuitive design features a one-click secure mechanism for correct installation, an adjustable handlebar, and washable materials. Prioritizing safety, the Duna incorporates 3-layer side impact protection, anti-rebound bar crash technology, and a 5-point safety harness. It's 2V and FAA aircraft approved, making it ideal for various modes of travel. The Duna Infant insert provides ergonomic support with a near-flat design that aligns your newborn's neck and back. Built to last, it's crafted from premium materials including fiber-reinforced polymers and rust-free aluminum. Number 5. Graco Turbo Booster Backless Booster Car Seat. The Graco Turbo Booster Backless Booster Car Seat is a top-rated, safety-focused solution for growing children. Designed for kids aged 4'10", weighing 4,100 pounds and up to 57 inches tall, this booster seat combines safety with comfort and style. It features Graco's Protect Plus engineering, providing robust protection against frontal, rear, and rollover crashes. The seat's height-adjustable armrests ensure optimal comfort, while its design helps position your child at the proper height for the seatbelt, enhancing safety. With its modern aesthetic and hideaway cup holders, the Turbo Booster seamlessly blends functionality with contemporary style. This booster seat has undergone rigorous testing, including evaluations based on the new car assessment program and extreme car interior temperature conditions, ensuring reliability in various situations. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my video description. For any kind of queries, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.